Hey there, guys. Okay, well, today we are going to be talking about Comet with bleach. Yes, every household needs Comet. Comet is a great cleanser. It really gets in there and does a great cleaning job. Now, basically used, and what I use it for, is really tough ground in stains that really do not want to come out. Now, when you use Comet, it's like using almost like using sandpaper on stain that you're trying to get out, Like say your bathtub has like real deep down grime, It's like using some powder type sandpaper, clean it off, and it works. I mean, when you look at Comet, it just looks like a fine powder, you see? Yeah. But when you wet this and then put it to work on your bathtub or any of your sinks, anything like that, it gets busy. It really does a great job of getting rid of any deep down grime that you have that just will not come out. And it smells great. It gets rid of those bad odors that come from, mildew and the mold and stuff that gets up in your bathroom and has that stale, fragrance. It really gets all that. It's really good. And the thing is, since it's so like powdery, such a fine powder, it won't scratch anything. Like if you were scrubbing, like say your tiles on your floor or your bathtub or something like that, and you use like sand or something, you'll probably get some scratches on there if you rub it hard enough. This is fine powder, so it will not scratch anything. Yeah, your surfaces are completely okay if you're using this. It's really, really good, and it has bleach in it, so it's going to disinfect and it's going to get all the germs and nastiness out of anything you're cleaning it with. It's really, really a must-have if you're a homeowner, or if you're living in an apartment, anywhere. If you have your own place, you need to get some Comet, because how else are you gonna really clean the way you need to clean without it? Comet's really good. The first time I saw Comet used was with my grandmother, and she's the one who turned me on to it. Actually, she was teaching me how to clean her bathroom when I was probably about 10 years old. So I hated it, but she was showing me. Comet was right there. She said, take your Comet, put it on in the bathtub, sprinkle it all around, and add water, and get to scrubbing. Any ring or anything accumulated in the tub came right out. And yeah, she showed me how to do it, and I've been using Comet ever since. Comet has been around forever. This is a very, very old product that it's withstood the test of time, and it's always come through for just about everybody I know. Most people that I know use it, and it's just really the way to go if you have tough, just stubborn stains just refuse to come out. It's a really good way to go. With it, you don't have to try that hard. It does a whole lot of the work for you. I'm glad of that, because a lot of grit and grime gets in there, and a lot of times you're breaking your back just trying to get it out. But because this is kind of a gritty powder type substance you're scrubbing, it helps you a lot. It really gets in there on its own pretty much, and it's almost like using a scouring pad you know, but not as abrasive. But it works really well. I liked it and continue to use it. Really tough stains, no problem. It really gets everything. It's mainly used, with me, it's mainly used in my bathroom, but I do use it in the kitchen on my sinks in there. And I have used it in my oven. It actually works very good there. It's not my first choice for the oven, but I have used it there, and I've had lots of good luck using it there. So yeah, Comet is great, and I'll continue to use it. Well, I hope you guys use this information. This is Comet with bleach. All right. I hope you guys use this. I'll talk to you again soon. Okay? Bye-bye.